Alright, Twin Force Fusion, and this video is especially for Rocky Johnston. We've been having was wondering if the UPR one-way valve had any issues. Well, we'll find out right now. I replied to him because apparently there's three type. There's a 5013-01, -02, and -03, and the one I have is -02. So 1513-02. It's the part number you want. Let me just this, and comes with a clamp. I think it's overkill. It's snug and fit enough, but I guess if it's warm and you want to take it out. So let me look. Yeah, that's it. That's all. And for clearance, yeah, it should be fine. I think they're made for our engine cover. So 1513-02, Rocky Johnson, and tell your friend to go ahead and order it. It fits, no problem. Just out of curiosity, I have a friend with a 5.0. And I'll try to put on his car. And I also have a friend with a Raptor with a 3.5, and I'll try it. But this one, the 1513-02, it says 2.0, 2.3, and 2.7 EcoBoost. So I don't know if it's just the top filter is different, but I think it's exactly the same. Same thing with your coolant reservoir cap. It's the same on every car, even on the GT500. So there it is. It fits. Take care. Bye.